Great places to visit in the United States. Oklahoma, located in the heart of the United States, is a state that harmoniously blends Western heritage with captivating natural beauty. Known as the Sooner State, Oklahoma offers a diverse tapestry of landscapes, from rolling prairies and ancient mountains to sprawling lakes and vibrant forests. The state's rich Native American history and culture are celebrated at sites like the Chickasaw Cultural Center and the Cherokee Heritage Center, where visitors can learn about the traditions and contributions of the indigenous peoples. Oklahoma City, the state capital, boasts a thriving art scene, world-class museums, and the renowned National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum, honoring the Western heritage that is deeply ingrained in the state's identity. Tulsa, with its vibrant music scene and Art Deco architecture, showcases a dynamic cultural landscape. Oklahoma's natural wonders, including the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge and the Great Salt Plains State Park, provide opportunities for hiking, wildlife watching, and outdoor adventures. The state's warm hospitality is evident in its welcoming communities, lively festivals, and mouthwatering cuisine, with dishes like barbecued ribs and chicken fried steak showcasing its Western culinary traditions. Whether exploring the charm of small towns, immersing in Native American culture, or reveling in the natural splendor, Oklahoma invites visitors to experience the fusion of Western heritage and natural beauty that makes this state truly unique. Subscribe or follow for more interesting places to visit.